Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create an Instagram business account step by step. So this is the test account that I have created in one of my previous videos. And I will show you how you can convert this account into a business account. Also, before I show you how you can do it, let me show you the difference between a post from a normal account and a business account. Also, at the end of this video, I'll show you how you can use the information that you get from your business account and use it for your targeting and retargeting ad campaigns. So this is one of my posts from that Keto Test 101 page, and in the left picture you can see this is just a normal Instagram post, and in the right one you can see two more options are added: the promote and the view insights. These two features will help you grow your business, and I will show you how it is possible to do it. Let me go ahead and click on View Insight. So this is the post insight from my other Instagram page that has more likes and comments and stuff like that. So you can see what sort of information you're missing out if you don't change your current Instagram page into a business page. So you can see you get number of likes, number of comments, number of shares, a number of times that people saved your post. It also tells you number of times that people visited your profile and people taking action on your post. It can also tell you what sort of hashtags are performing better, so you can use those hashtags and get more viewers to your post. So this is the page that I've created in one of my previous videos. Now let's go ahead and convert this page into a business page. In order to do this, go ahead and click on these three bars at the top right, and then click on settings. So you can see we have a lot of options here, but for now we just need the account. So click on account, and now scroll down a little bit. Here, tap on switch to professional accounts, and now you get two options: the creator, which is best for public figures and content producers, and the business. For now, we're going to go ahead and click on business. And now it gives you a little bit more information about what you get. The insight that I already shown you, the promotion button that can help you promote certain posts once you can see a certain post is performing really well through insight, and the contact which will be added to your actual page. Go ahead and click on continue. Here you need to select the category for your business. So in this case, my page is about keto diet, so I'm going to go ahead and type in keto. Okay, there's nothing about keto, so I'm just going to change it, make it a little bit generic. I'm going to type in health. So it is about health and beauty. I think health and wellness is a better option. I'm going to go ahead and click on that, and then click next. Now it wants you to put in your contact information. This is the information that people can see when they go to your profile page. Now you need to put in your business email address, your phone number, and your business address. You can also edit this information through your profile page as well by going to the edit. Now click next. Now you need to connect your Facebook page to your Instagram page, which is great. It can help you boost your business on two different platforms. If you have a business page, it will show here and you can select it. If you don't have it, you can create it later on and click on don't connect to Facebook now. And that's it. You have now professional tools to connect with your audience on Instagram. We have managed to create a business page on Instagram. Let's go ahead and close this. And once you go to your profile, you can see there are two more buttons added to your page. And if you go to the post, there are two more buttons added here as well. Let's go back to the page. The insight is an interesting one because it can tell you how your posts and stories are performing. You can see what sort of content is the most engaging and gets the most like. Let me go to, I'm showing you this from my other account. Let me just go to the activity, and this is what's happening in the activity. It shows the discovery and interaction. The audience is very interesting because you can see that where your audience is coming from, and you can see the age range. You can also see the gender, and once you know all these free information, you can actually retarget them. Okay, this is absolutely great tool for retargeting. And yeah, that's it. That's pretty much it. So this is how you can create an Instagram business page. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to like it. And if you would like to learn how to post on Instagram using your computer, make sure to check out the next video. And if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to subscribe and tap that little bell. See you in the next one.